My name is Dr. Eric Muraoka. I'm the owner and operator of Kaizen Dental Center and Downtown Dental Lab in Honolulu, Hawaii. The number one thing I love about Desktop Health is their commitment to excellence. And it's not just saying those words. I swear everyone says that, but they took my feedback immediately. The next month there was changes into the software. And I was like, oh, wow, that's different, you know? When I print my dentures, I put them in and they just suction in like crazy without any adjustments. Accuracy is everything. In dentistry, I mean, we work in microns. The more accurate it is, the better fit, the less problems, the less cost you're gonna have with these patients coming back. It helps on every single aspect of the patient experience. I really am excited the most about Flexera Smile Ultra Plus. It's so crazy how translucent it is, and it's a printed material, and you can get like layering effects with just printing one type of material. The chalkier stuff is not super aesthetic, so when it lets light through, there becomes more possibilities for depth and color. And so because it already has it inherently, it's just so easy to work with and make beautiful.